guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep cleaned our kitchen. I'm going to be focusing on areas I don't normally clean, such as our oven. You'll see the major before and after, so make sure you guys stay tuned because it was in desperate need of some deep cleaning. And I hope you guys get some motivation and clean along with me if you need to. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. All right, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to be disinfecting everything as well as I go. My boys recently got over a cold, so I'm going to be using these Clorox disinfectant wipes and going over everything I clean as well. Since they put their little hands on everything, I want to make sure everything is nice and sanitized.
It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
To clean the microwave, I'm going to be cutting up a lime and squeezing the juice in a bowl and heating it up for 3 minutes, and I'm going to let it sit for 5 extra minutes once it's done. And it's supposed to be super easy to just wipe off afterwards. It actually didn't work quite as well this time, so I had to go over it with my mixture of vinegar and water. I don't know what happened, but it usually works like a charm.
But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me. It's like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, just of my wasted love. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
So this was a little embarrassing to film, but I I found the most random items under the oven, and it was pretty disgusting. Our boys tend to throw things under there, and we never know where they go. So we did find some things that we had been missing. So yeah, please no judgments at all. And if you can relate, comment down below. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be scrubbing the rest of the cupboards with this Lysol multi-surface cleaner. And this was the very next day. If you notice, I am wearing a different outfit. This deep cleaning of the kitchen took longer than I expected. So I'm just going to be scrubbing down the walls as well, because they do get some food stains every once in a while, because the trash is right there. So does anybody else love turning on a candle as soon as your kitchen is nice and clean? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had some major cleaning motivation. and enjoyed this deep cleaning video of my kitchen. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future content. I am going to be doing a deep cleaning series, so stay tuned and turn on that bell so you don't miss out. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.